everyone, my name is Heaven from AG1, and I'm going to show you my hobby, which is playing the keyboard. I know some of you doesn't know this kind of hobby of mine, but actually I play the keyboard. Um, for me, for learning the keyboard, actually I didn't learn the keyboard from music schools or any music institutions. I learned the keyboard by simply using the app called Simply Piano. It's free in the App Store, so you can download for free if you want to. And the piece that I'm going to play now is from J.S. Bach, the Musette. And the keys that we're going to use today are these keys. And as we look in the piano, this is the C, D, E, F, G keys. But if you look here, you might think, why is it the same keys? But it's like the same, but they're low keys, like they're low. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the app, Simply Piano, and I'm gonna teach you guys how to play like the first notes in the piece. Okay, if you look over here, the first set of notes, it may look complicated, but it's actually easy. For that note, it means that you have to put your pinky finger, which I said 5 over there, is the G. And if you look down, it's actually G and C together. So if you understand the note, you can simply play together just to play the first note from up to the bottom. And if you see these set of notes, it means that you have to press from F to C. So F, E, D, C. So if you got it right, you can play it together. If you can see. So that's the first column of notes. And if you go to the second column, it's actually the same thing. Okay, but if you go to the third and fourth column, it also looks very complicated and it looks hard. But it's actually easy if you know the proper notes. And for the this note, it means that it's the third key, third finger. So that's E, F, G. Because it's increasing the note. So from E, G, F, E, D. So yeah, for that's the third column. If you want to play it again. And if you reach the second note, if you see the 5, it means the G. Okay, if you got it now, you can play it together. So it goes like this. Okay, and these two columns are the same. Okay, and for these columns, it's exactly the same, but for this, the thing that's different about this is that there's no E. There's no E key. So if I want to play it, it goes like this. Oh. And if you see from what I played, I didn't put the E key. So that's why if you look at this note, these sets of notes, it means that you don't have, it's the same thing but no E note. So again, same thing, but now if you see, it may look different, like it's not in the same order. It means that you have to go to the low keys now, okay? So it goes, the third one, this note, it means it's low E, low note E, F, G. And if you go there, it means that it's decreasing and increasing. So. And if you hear it, it might sound like familiar, right? But the thing that's different is how it sounds, okay? Okay, but if you want to do it again, it goes like this. Okay, and let's go to again, same thing. But if you see, like, it looked smaller, right? The set of notes is smaller. But the thing that's different is that there's again no E key, which is the same from here, which is same. Where is it? Yeah, here. It's same like this one, but it's low. So if you want to play it, it goes like this. See? It may sound familiar, but it's different. Okay, now we reached the end of the line, so now I'm going to play the piece, the whole piece together. Okay, and I'll try to perfect this. Wish me luck. I know it is. And what you saw, if you see like those colored, if you see the notes colored, it means that I got the notes right. And if you get perfect, you get 3 stars. But yeah. So for my recommendation, I recommend this app to keyboard or piano beginners if they're interested in playing the keyboard or the piano. And this app, the good thing about this app is that like for a beginner, for me, for the first time I used this app, it helped me guide me along the way, and it teaches you new songs, and the more you advance, it teaches you how to use chords as well. Yeah, it teaches you chords. It may sound difficult, but the more you advance, the more you can do more advanced songs. Like the songs will be expanded, like it will be longer. So for you guys, if you like enjoy this tutorial, yeah. For my advice, I advise for you to practice more if you're having trouble, and the more you practice, the more you get it perfect. So, bye guys!